Hey guys, it's Alana. Today I'm going to show you how to make your photos come to life using the MyHeritage app. MyHeritage is an app you have to subscribe to, but it offers a 14-day free trial, which is what I'm using. When you download and install the app, you're going to have to register and fill in some information about your parents and grandparents and stuff like that. The purpose of the app is an ancestry app after all. But once you've done that, you can then upload images into photos. So I'm going to tap on photos and you'll see some of the photos of my grandparents and my great aunt that I have uploaded. And now you can use the app to animate these photos. So I'm going to choose this photo of my great grandmother. It's my second photo. And you'll notice at the top of the screen, you have some icons. The very first one you can use to animate your photo. So I'm going to tap on that first icon. And you'll see a little wand that reminds me very much of Harry Potter, where they're using their artificial intelligence to animate the photo. It takes a few seconds. So we're just going to wait until that gets done. And there you have it. It animates your photo. Now you'll notice at the top it says animation number 7. If you tap on it, it gives you several options that you can choose from. All of them are basically just the person looking around, but it looks like a video. It's really cool. So we're just going to wait for this one to finish. And it's basically just slightly different angles that they give you. And then you can click on the little download icon at the top right to download your animation. And that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.